beautiful day when we were young, and we had spring on our side, and love didn't hide from the sun. But with the years, there came the tears, and as we learn how to cry, a beautiful day passes by. We used to live only for love, a little world below and heaven above. Yes, we were living only for loving. Your heart and mine were one when we were young. Remember the nights, so still and warm, and all the stars in the skies made love to your eyes till the dawn. When did we start to drift apart? Somehow I'll find you, and then our love can be young once again.